Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello Virgo placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong mid-December. Okay, so yeah. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, okay, we have protection from evil eye, meron tayong love bracelet para sa single and para sa may mga kakonect na napakadaming conflicts, no? And napakadaming issue. So, yan, pwede yan sa inyo. And yung ating grantor necklace. Okay, so si grantor is unisex. Okay, so to help you manifest faster. Okay, and yeah, si grantor, nagmamanifest yan ng kusa. Okay, pagdating sa inyo, meron kayong mga bagay na hindi nyo alam, dapat palang i-manifest. So, siya na yung nagmamanifest. Okay, for you, it's like a surprise. Parang mga ganyang bagay, no? And syempre, yung ating new item for cord. Yeah, this is for cord cutting. Okay, so tatanggalin natin yung mga, sabihin nating pabigat, na energy mula sa past. Okay, para kayo makausad and para mas maging magaan, no, yung inyong energy and para magkaroon ng open opportunity, magkaroon ng open door of opportunity sa mga bagay-bagay, sa mga bago. Okay, so yeah, ating unahin muna, Virgo, general reading ngayong mid-December. Let's see anong meron. Okay, so general. Kung may specific ako makita, babanggitin ko rin. Okay? So, anong meron for you, Virgo? This mid-December. Virgo. Okay. Ace of Wands. New beginnings. Excuse me. Travels. Okay. Some of you may chance na ito specific. Pagdating sa looks, okay? Pagdating sa looks, may mga mababago, may mga babaguhin. Okay? What's with this Ace of Wands? The Queen of Swords in reversed. What's with this Queen of Swords in reversed? Specific, may mga taong ayaw sa sabihin nating mga magandang bagay na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Oops, sa mga may evil eye dyan, gamit-gamitin. Meron sa inyong nagbabato ng evil eye. Gamit-gamitin, okay? Hindi yung nakalagay lang kung saan. Yeah, the Queen of Swords, please, in reverse. What's this? Yeah, see, the Page of Swords. Maraming mata ang nakatingin. Sabihin nating whether gusto nila yung nakikita, whether ayaw nila nang nakikita nila sa'yo, ang nakikita nila pareho is mga maganda. Okay? So, hindi natin mayaalis sa iba na nandun yung inggit, nandun yung galit. Okay? So, may mga natutuwa, may mga naiinis. Yan. Okay? So, merong sabihin nating magre-risked ng gawa, ng lakad. Somebody's stalking you, watching you. Somebody is spreading rumors about you. Why? Ang nakuha ko rito is, andun nga, pwedeng nainggit. Okay? Meron din ditong parang gustong magpatulong pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Itong taong to, nandoon yung takot, maybe, or nandoon yung hiya, siguro. Okay? Andun yung parang chumichempo siya pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, this person likes you. Okay? They like you. Somebody is, sabihin natin, thinking of you sexually. Yeah. What else? This mid-December, anong meron? Meron ako nakikita rito ha, reject. May mari-reject or sabihin natin mari-reschedule lang na lakad. Yeah, the Three of Wands. Yeah. Iba sa inyo talaga may travel ng malayuan, no? Okay. Pwedeng iba sa inyo through, plane, via airplane. Or, tawag dyan, barko. May mga ganon. What's with this, Three of Wands? The Eight of Pentacles. Something will come into fruition. Fruit, fruition. Like, sabihin natin may magbablossom. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng sabihin natin makakapagbigay ng tulong financially. Okay? Some of you, this is sa workplace. Yeah, may energy ng longevity akong nakikita rito. Yeah, and this is talking about stability. Some of you may chance na pwedeng may napepending ditong promotion and eventually ibibigay. Okay, yeah, pwedeng hindi ito ngayong mid-December, maybe next year. Okay? May energy na promotion na pwedeng napepending lang sa ngayon kasi hindi pa rin totally maasikaso, maybe because of the holidays, no? Parang may mga ganyan. Yeah, that's nice. Iba sa inyo, if you're a businessman, businesswoman, parang yung energy na tatangkilikin yung product mo, tatangkilikin ko anong service meron na ibinibigay ka. Okay? So, what else? Virgo. The Hanged Man. I'm seeing here vacation. Vacation. Papunta sa malayo. Okay? What's with this Hanged Man? Yeah, the Fool. Yeah, this is travel. I'm seeing you pampering. Okay, resting. Yeah. Yeah, the Devil in reversed. Yeah, the Three of Chalices. This is maybe sabihin nating get together. Okay? With your friends, colleagues, family, relatives. Mga ganyan. Mga malalapit sa'yo. Okay? Maybe some of you there's this surprise coming in. Okay, so the Three of Chalices, this is an energy of victory, success. Okay, occasions, yan yun. Okay, meetups, drinks, no, may pag-inom, no, kahit di nyo kita. No, oo. So yeah, occasions. Why the Hanged Man in reverse? What's with this? Ano to? Kasi may iba akong energy nakikita with this Hanged Man. The Six of Pentacles. Some of you, there's this offer coming in. An offer, an invitation maybe. Okay? Some of you wanting to have a new beginning. Okay? A Pisces. An Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn like you, and an Aries. Okay? Yeah, somebody is waiting for the right opportunity na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. Okay, yeah, the Three of Swords in reversed. Merong gustong makipag-ayos in general. Merong gustong makipag-ayos. Okay? Yeah, this person is thinking of you day and night. They're stressing over this. Okay, they're still, thinking of this. Okay, kung ano man ang meron. Nasa isip ka lang ng taong ito. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Chalices. Some of them, ayaw nilang may maramdamang panghihinayang. Okay, sa inyo. Yeah, may nangyaring separation. Yeah, there's this panghihinayang and there's regrets nga. Okay, there's regrets pagdating sa taong to. So, maybe, gusto nila ng new beginning, another chance with you kasi ayaw nila na may masayang pa. Okay? So, there. Okay. Avoid arguments with a coworker. Virgo, avoid it. Coworker, classmates, kung ano man. Okay? Sa mga nakakasama mo palagi. Avoid arguments. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Okay, Virgo. Who is the person on your mind? Let's see. The person on Virgo's mind. Maulan na naman, no? Maulan ba sa inyo? Bakit kaya? May bagyo na naman ata. Nako. Okay. Let's see. Who is this person, Virgo? The person on your mind? Who is this? The Ten of Pentacles. Some of them, they're stable. Okay, may pera. May magandang trabaho. Specific po yun ha. So, may chance na hindi makaka-resonate lahat. Okay, so Ten of Pentacles. You see this person na gusto mong makasama forever. Okay, like long term. Okay? Who is this Anong meron dito sa Ten of Pentacles? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Crush mo. Yeah, someone younger. Or may age gap sa inyo. Yeah, the Page of Swords in reverse. Ooh, Virgo. You're thinking, ito specific. Some of you, you're thinking of a person na talagang sabihin nating may anak na. Or may kakonek na. You like this person. Yeah. Nakukuha palagi nito yung attention mo. Some of you, you're stalking this person. Yeah. You like them. Yeah. Yeah, the Seven of Chalices in reversed. Somebody sabihin nating may iba. I don't know who. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung may iba. Pero yeah, ilagay mo lang yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon na kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang situation? Anong situation ninyo? Situation. Yeah, you want this person. Kung hindi man, gusto mo lang talaga itong taong to. Crush mo. Oo. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands in reversed. Andun agad yung energy na parang, ay, lugi agad dito. Goals. Oo, parang walang patutunguhan. Okay, the King of Wands in reverse. What's this? Yeah, see the Ace of Chalices. Walang patutunguhan. Yeah. The Tower. Yeah. Nakakagusto kayo ng isang taong hindi pwede. Okay? So, yun. Meron din ditong energy na pwedeng may anak kayo ng taong to. You want to hear something from this person. You're waiting maybe to hear something from them. Okay? Pero, the situation, sabihin nating hinahayaan lang. Okay? Meron kasi ditong player. The King of Wands in reversed. Okay? Somebody na nag-cheat. Yeah. Hinahayaan ng situation. Yeah, the Queen of Chalices. Iba sa inyo, kung ikaw nag-chase Virgo, pagdating dito sa taong to, alam nila na sobrang mahal mo sila. Okay? Yeah. Pero, kung ikaw yung nandun sa first story, sa first na definition ng person, na sabihin nating gusto ka nito, okay? They're hiding their true emotion. Some of them, they're too young. Yeah, they're too young for you. Okay, so that's why wala silang kakayanan na ipakita yung totoo nilang emosyon. Yeah, they love you. They like you. Okay? Pero yun nga lang, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may kakonect na, or siya yung may kakonect. Okay. So, anong emosyon? Like, totally deep down. What is their emotion pagdating sa your Virgo? The Chariot in reverse. And the Nine of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the Four of Wands, the Hierophant. Some of them, they're acting nonchalant. Like, wala silang pakialam. Or they're like, acting cold, distant, avoidant. Yung parang hindi sila nagpapakita na naapektuhan sila sa kung anong situation meron kayo. Okay? Like, chill. Relax. Ganun yung nakikita ko pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng ang nakikita nila sa'yo is parang hindi mo sila binibigyan ng masyadong attention. So, parang walang patutunguhan talaga to. Okay? Parang may ganon. Marami akong sinasabi dahil kailangan kong sabihin. Okay? Huwag nyong igagrab lahat yung naririnig ninyo. Kunin nyo lang po, no? Kung ano sa tingin ninyo yung inyo. At iwan nyo na lang yung iba para sa iba. Okay? Yung ibang energy, yung ibang message, iiwan nyo para dun sa iba kasi pwedeng kanila yon, not for you, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate. Okay? If this is, sabihin nating kakonect mo or nakakonect mo, may anak kayo, ganyan, wala silang ginagawa. Some of them, walang pagbabago pagdating sa kanila. Okay? Walang pagbabago. Wala silang pakialam sa kung anong situation meron kayo. Hindi sila nag-i-stress. Hindi sila masyadong nag-iisip dito. Sabihin natin, hindi talaga sila nag-iisip pagdating sa situation ninyo. Kung anong kailangan i-fix, kung anong kailangan gawin, hindi sila nag-i-stress. Okay? So, kailangan ko sabihin yon kasi may ganong ring energy. Cancer yan, air sign. Okay? So, what is their next action towards you, Virgo? Okay. This mid-December. Their next action. The King of Chalices in reverse. So, itatago at itatago. Okay? Yung emosyon. Some of them, talagang nandun yung pagiging selfish. Or talagang may pagtatago lang pagdating sa emosyon. Why the King of Chalices in reverse? The Six of Wands. They want your attention. Gagawin nila yon dahil gusto nila ang attention nila. Pareho. Pare-pareho. Kung ano man ang situation ninyo, okay? Kung ano-ano man ang sitwasyon ninyo, isang next action ng person to get your attention sa pamamagitan ng hindi pagbibigay ng emosyon sa'yo. Okay? Gusto ka nilang i-crack open. Gusto ka nila na maging weak. Yes. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Gusto nila na kailanganin mo sila. Hanapin mo sila. Parang ganon. Hindi sila magpapahayag ng emosyon. Okay? But yes, taktika. Taktika lamang. Okay? Let's see. Yung iba sa inyo ha, dito tayo sa una. Meron lang sumisigaw dito ha. Okay, ang sinasabi, nakikita mo tong taong tong napaka-materialistic. Okay? Some of them talagang gusto nila may pera. Gusto nila lagi may panggastos. May, sabihin natin napaka-immature nila when it comes to money. Okay, may ganun. So, let's see. Outcome/advice for you, Virgo. The King of Swords in reversed. Don't let them manipulate you. Don't let them scare you. Don't let them whatsoever. Okay? Kasi meron silang kailangan na makita pagdating sa'yo. Okay, andun yung pananakot. Andun yung sabihin nating gusto ka nitong pasunodin. Okay, they want you na makontrol ka. Okay, so what's with this King of Swords in reversed? And the Five of Chalices. Huwag mo hahayaan ha, kasi ang nakuha ko rito, advice ko, gusto ka niya na sabihin nating manghinayang. Okay? Manghinayang ka. Yes. Parang ganon. Mag-regret ka. Parang ganon. Okay? The Hanged Man, the Six of Chalices. The Devil in reversed. The Two of Wands. Huwag kang magsayang ng energy. Okay? Huwag kang magsayang ng energy sa ganito. Huwag kang matakot. Some of you natatakot sa nangyayari sa ngayon. Baka may masayang, baka may nasasayang. Parang mga ganyan. Okay? Anong meron dito sa King of Swords in reversed? Yeah, see? Don't let them manipulate you. This is all about manipulation. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. This is all about manipulation. The Magician. Kung makikita nyo, yung nasa kamay, ikaw yun. Sa totoo lang, ikaw to. Ha? Si Magician Virgo. Okay? Ikaw ang minamanipula na dapat ikaw ang may control sa sarili mo. Don't let them manipulate you. Don't let them control you. Alam mo bakit? Kasi they know you love them, you want them. Okay? Yeah. The Queen of Pentacles. Nag-suffer ka dito. Ilang beses ka nang binackstab ng taong to, yung iba sa inyo. Pero, sa totoo lang, ilang beses mo rin itong pinatawad. Kasi nandun yung genuine love mo for them. Okay? So, huwag mo hayaan na itong taong ito is gamitin yung emosyon mo laban din sa'yo. Don't let them. Okay? Emosyon mo kasi, yeah, sabi ko nga, this person, they want you to crack open. Okay? Gusto nilang makita. Some of you, sabihin nating hard on the outside, pero soft in the inside. So, yun yung target nila. Titingnan nila kung ano ba talaga yung emosyon mo. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng hindi pagpapakita ng totoong emosyon nila, doon ka nila didikdikin. Some of them, sabihin nating sa hindi pagiging present. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung hinahabol mo to, kawawang kawawa ka. Sinasabi ko na. Sinasabi ko na at gustong gusto niya yung ginagawa mong paghahabol. Kung ikaw yon, wag mong gawin. Okay? So there. Wala dapat makakakontrol sa'yo, kundi ikaw lang. Kung anong kailangan mong gawin, kung anong nasa isip mo, yun ang gawin mo. Kung anong nararamdaman mo, yun ang gawin mo. Okay? Walang tao dapat ang makakakontrol sa emosyon mo, sa mga iniisip mo. Okay? And yes, kung ano man ang mga nangyayari sa sitwasyon, hindi rin dapat makontrol. Okay? Kung anong meron sa'yo. Wag ka dapat maguguluhan. Yeah. Kung sa tingin mo yung situation is hindi malinaw, then hindi mo kailangan pag-aksayahan ng oras. Okay? Nahanapin yung mga kasagutan, mga kalinawan na gusto mo. Lalo na kung alam mo na itong taong to is may kakayanan naman na ipakita sa'yo yung mga sagot at kalinawan na kailangan mo. Okay? So there. So tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay, again. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Aries through Pisces. So the Aries, they're bitter. Yeah, they're bitter. Taurus. Okay, the Taurus wanting a new beginning. Maybe another chance. Okay. Gemini. They want, sabihin natin, cooperation with you. Okay, they want cooperation. They want you. Yeah. Cancer. They're a liar. Some of them, they're afraid. They're scared na gawin yung mga responsibilities nila. Leo, they like you, they want you. You're their wish fulfillment. Okay, may panghihinayang ako na makuha with this Leo. Virgo, so there's this unhappy situation. Okay, somebody needs to step up. Yeah. Meron ako nang nakukuwang panghihinayang or sabihin nating something, meron kang kailangan i-accept. Okay? Pagdating dito sa Virgo na ito. Or maybe this is your energy. Okay? So, Libra. Yeah. Cooperation. Some of you, Libra. Pwedeng itong Librang ito is sabihin nating a boss. Or something like someone na kasama mo sa workplace. Yeah, they want cooperation with you. Scorpio, they're in a crossroads. Something like na may takot itong Scorpio na to sa mga kailangan gawin at aksyonan, desisyonan. Okay? Sagittarius, they're being impatient. Capricorn, some of them, they want to tell you something na pwedeng makapagbigay ng kasagutan, clarity, closure maybe. Okay? Aquarius, they're not available for you. Okay? Some of them, they need to heal. Or maybe you have to heal from this aqua. Pisces, they need you. Yeah, ramdam na ramdam ni Pisces yung coldness. I don't know, some of you meron ditong distansya na nangyari. May pagdistansyang nangyari. Okay, so yeah. They need you. Okay? So there, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!